The biggest investing mistake isn't picking the wrong stock, it's reacting emotionally. Markets go up, markets go down. Beginners panic during both. They buy when prices are high because of hype, sell when prices fall because of fear. During market crashes, many investors sell out of fear. But historically, markets have recovered and grown over time. Those who stayed invested benefited. Those who panicked locked in losses. The rule is, volatility is normal. Emotional decisions are expensive. If you invest long-term, short-term noise shouldn't control you. Discipline beats emotion.